Here comes the A-Train! What's up?
Everybody loves the A-Train, right?
You're laughing. She's a joke. You want an autograph or something? I can't stop. Accidents happen, right? After all, you were saving the world.
Homelander's gonna back him over me after everything that I've done for that man.
Say it.
Say it!
I'm sorry. Every single fucked up, horrible thing that's ever happened to me, to all of us, it all started with you. Because you took away someone I loved.
You've only ever been about yourself.
It's so easy to become a monster out here.
Did she suffer? Did you look into her big, sad eyes while you did it?
That was an accident. Where the fuck is the V? That accident had a name.
You did not give a shit about all the collateral you caused then. Now all of a sudden you care? Because it happened to you?
Your uncle is no hero. You just get away with everything, don't you? Just running past all the broken people you leave behind.
Every time you try, you make it worse.
You fucking coward. Why are you so desperate to be with people who hate you?
You ain't getting no sleep. Makes me wonder, what the fuck is keeping A-Train up at night?
You hurt a lot of people. You hurt my brother. You're not gonna get away with it. Not this time. My brother is paralyzed. I want some fucking justice. The only good thing in my life is gone now. You're the only person I've ever loved. I didn't kill her.
Your saves were never real. You never actually saved anyone.
I would have blasted the shit out of you, and you would have deserved it.
You never apologized for Robin.
Yeah, I agree. It's fucked up. Seeing somebody that you love get hurt like that. I'm sorry. I'm fucking sorry, Huey. When I carried your ass to the ER, there was a kid there. His eyes were like, holy shit. Looking at me like I was a hero. There were screaming fans, no cameras. What was I so afraid of? You are fucking nothing.
Moving around constantly, this is a pain in the ass. But it's worth it. It's good to see you like this. Mom will be really proud of you, man.